right, folks, in this video we are going to compare 3 chains. We've got this organ, which happens to be a skip tooth square ground, skip tooth standard, just round file. And then we have this Archer, which is also skip tooth round file. So we're going to run them up against each other and see what we get. The saw will be the Husqvarna 365 Special. The bar is going to be the Samora, running 40-to-1. It is about 36 degrees F today, and the log diameter will give you when we get over there. This is all in softwood. All right, so the saw's already been warmed up, and we won't take it right at the knock there, but we'll pull it into the meat. That's 22 inches. All right, it's white fir, softwood, cuts easy. The saw has been warmed up, and with a regular logging chain, this first cut on this chain, we'll do a couple cuts with the Archer. It is 50 gauge skip tooth round file. All right, that's the Archer full skip round file chain. Gonna stop it, change out the chain, do it again. All right, so this is the Oregon EXJ, 0.50 full skip chain. This is the chain I have most of. This is what I most commonly run. This is like my daily driver chain for logging. So we'll give this one a go. When I get done shooting all this and compile the video at the end, I'll put up a sheet with all the info sheet and then all the cut times and all that stuff. So we'll get there. All right, so that was the Oregon EXJ. Change it out for the square ground, just for fun. All right, this time we've got the Oregon chain with a square grind on it. I forget the number of this one right now. I'll put it at the end of the video with times and stuff. But let's see how it goes. I know this is not a very like super fair scientific you know, log sawing video, but I enjoying it. Hopefully you guys do too. Well, folks, there you have it. So the Archer came out with the longest overall time. The Oregon EXJ round file that I commonly use came out just behind the CJA type square grind, which could be well within my margin of error on the stopwatch. I've never run the square grind on the on that saw before. I've only run it on my 365, or my sorry, that is the 365. I've only run it on the 395, so this was a new experience. You see the fastest and the slowest cuts were both with the same chain, the Oregon EXJ. So anyway, that's what we got. All right, hey folks, so all the cutting's done and ready to compile the video. Not exactly the results I was expecting, so that's different. But yeah, if you have enjoyed these or this video, if you like the chain comparison stuff, please hop on for this ride. There'll be a couple more coming out after I get this one done. And I'll also link the one from last year. And hopefully you'll get some enjoyment out of it. Anyway, I learned something. I enjoyed making them. So hopefully you do too. Yeah, that's about all I got. I'll probably throw this in at the end of the video here. And if you're still watching, awesome. So take care, have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.